Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by making the speaker discoverable and the laptop ready. This saves time. Put the speaker into pairing mode so it broadcasts its name, then on your laptop open Bluetooth settings and turn Bluetooth on. Make sure you are within a few meters and turn off other nearby Bluetooth gadgets to avoid interference. Once done, the laptop will scan. You should see the speaker appear in the device list. If it doesn't appear, toggle Bluetooth off and on to refresh scanning. You now select the speaker name from the scanned devices and click Pair or Connect. This initiates secure link setup. If the laptop prompts for a PIN, enter the default shown on the speaker manual or confirm the passkey match. This prevents accidental connections. If the laptop reports an error, make sure the Bluetooth adapter driver is current and the speaker firmware is up to date, then retry pairing. Once paired, the OS will often show a connected. You finish by selecting the Bluetooth speaker as the default playback device in your sound settings so all audio routes correctly. Play a short audio clip and adjust volume both on the laptop and the speaker to confirm clarity and latency. If sound is missing or stutters, make sure the speaker is connected, then reboot the laptop and speaker and repair. This resolves most issues. If problems persist, update Bluetooth drivers or perform a factory reset on the speaker as a last resort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.